You have 2 eyes, I have 2 eyes, and now our robots have 2 eyes. Introducing the Narwal Freo Z, the latest model in the Freo series. This new flagship model comes with truly exceptional navigation performance and overall user experience. Its innovative 2 RGB cameras paired with its AI cleaning software help this robot clean with ease. It had excellent performance on hardwood and both long and pet hair tests. First, let's discuss what the Freo Z Ultra does best. It had fantastic obstacle avoidance for even the most cluttered homes with its 2 new RGB cameras. Hard surfaces like tile, wood, and vinyl are ideal for this robot. And finally, the Narwal app gives the user exceptional functionality to personalize your robot's cleaning style and schedule. Unfortunately, there was less than incredible performance on carpet cleaning tests and our crevice tests. The Narwal Freo Z Ultra just could not suction up some of the smaller debris that got into carpet or into the grout lines. However, it's still an outstanding robot combo for your home. At Modern Castle, we test 14 different factors that impact the performance, build quality, and usability of the vacuum. Below is a complete list of our testing categories and their performance. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Cleaning performance was excellent, but there was some room for improvement. The biggest issue we saw with the Freo Z Ultra was its suction on carpet. Besides that, it's an excellent choice for hardwood floor surfaces to maximize the vac mop combo capabilities. In our debris test, the Z Ultra was able to remove 90.7% of debris by weight. This is 2% less debris than the average of 92.7% based on all of our tests to date. We do want to point out that there were some navigational issues in our testing lane during its evaluation. However, we did mitigate this factor by getting the Narwal Z Ultra to navigate over the entire testing lane with a separate in-app mapping navigation. We have full confidence that when navigating a home, the Narwal Freo Z Ultra will perform its complete cleaning cycle successfully. Hardwood was the highest scoring surface we tested. The robot's brush and collection debris roller had no issues collecting the debris. The low-pile carpet was the worst performance on all of the debris tests. While the Freo Z Ultra did pick up the larger debris, it struggled to get the finer sugar and kitty litter. It's our opinion that the robot struggled to get enough suction to collect those debris that were deeper in the carpet. The high-pile carpet did perform better than low-pile carpet, however, it still came in slightly below our average. Like the low-pile carpet, it struggled to collect the smaller debris. However, it was able to create a better suction seal with the high-pile carpet to collect more debris. In our edge cleaning test, the Z Ultra was able to remove 85.5% of debris by weight. This is 2.1% less debris than the average of 87.6% based on all of our edge cleaning tests to date. Unfortunately, the Freo Z Ultra did come in below our testing average. When observing the robot, it would move close to the edge, collecting a majority of the debris in its path. However, it would either push some of the debris away from the collection path, or the suction just wasn't removing the debris along the baseboard. In our mop test, the Z Ultra showcased exceptionally good performance. On average, based on all the robot mops we've tested to date, we find that they have excellent performance. The Narwal Freo Z Ultra mop performance is on par with other high-end robot mops. The Narwal Freo Z Ultra comes with a large clean and dirty water tank that helps to keep this robot running. Additionally, the base station has a slot where you can insert Narwal's detergent supply, which automatically gets added to the water. How well a robot vacuum can navigate and clean the home can greatly impact the overall user experience. Narwal stepped up their game with the obstacle avoidance and detection with their new 2-eye RGB camera system. They call it AI Dirt since 2.0. Just like humans have 2 eyes, this robot has double the vision to help navigate and detect cleaning areas more effectively. Additionally, it has side sensors, a front bumper, and cliff detection underneath to help it feel its way around your home. The navigation and cleaning efficiency is certainly a selling point. To have a robot with this level of intelligent navigation is impressive. It's frequent for robots we've tested to just bump their way around, get stuck, or have poor mapping. This was not the case for the Freo Z Ultra. Its design, hardware, and software give it all the necessary ingredients for incredible navigational performance. During the obstacle avoidance testing, it was able to navigate around the objects and had no contact with any of those objects. It cleaned in a grid-like pattern and adjusted for each object. Based on all the robots we've tested to date, this was one of the best obstacle avoidance performances we have ever seen. Our first impression of the Narwal Freo Z Ultra was that the robot is built with quality and style in mind. The plastic was thick and well weighted. The brush, roller, tanks, and body plastic all had a sturdy and well-constructed feel. The build quality materials feel every bit as good as the other high-end flagship robots from Roborock and Ecoflex. It feels like a product that will last with repeated daily use. One of the most unique features we see on the Z Ultra is its dual RGB cameras in the front. Narwal's AI Dirt Sense 2.0 did impress us with its navigation. As previously mentioned, we had to work around its navigational quirks when placed in our testing lane to get proper cleaning cycles. It knew there was an issue because the cameras and sensors saw that it was in a mapped area, but it couldn't move outside of that lane to clean further. Setup was easy and took no more than 10 minutes with unboxing and connecting to the app. Just be ready to break down some boxes and save room in your trash can for the abundance of packing material. The Narwal app is easy to use and gives the user access to all of Narwal's devices and their cleaning options for your home. For the best possible experience, make sure your new Narwal device creates a home map that best represents your home layout. On screen now is a list of some of the adjustable features within the app. You'll need the app to fully experience all of the Narwal Freo Z Ultra has to offer with its cleaning settings and scheduling. It's extremely user-friendly and guides you through the setup process to get the Z Ultra up and running. The Narwal Freo Z Ultra has an estimated yearly maintenance cost of $55. The following are the major maintenance tasks for the Z Ultra. Ultimately, there's a lot going on with the Z Ultra. As a result, maintenance costs a little bit more. The Narwal comes with auto debris bag empty, detergent dispenser, mop pad cleaning, hot air mop pad drying, and auto water empty and refill. In our noise test, the Freo Z Ultra generated 65.6 decibels of noise on max power mode. This is 2.98 decibels lower than the average of 68.58 decibels based on all of our noise tests to date. We do want to point out that while adjusting the suction level, there was only a noticeable change when we switched from normal to strong suction. Quiet and normal had similar measured decibels, then strong and super powerful also had similar measurements. Overall, we found the Narwal Freo Z Ultra to be a great robot vacuum mop combo. Its impressive navigation, cleaning performance, build quality, and worry-free maintenance scores make up for its exceptionally good score. While there were a few weaker spots with respect to carpet cleaning performance, these were not deal breakers for us. Ultimately, the robot is an incredible choice when it comes to mopping efficiency and navigational efficiency. If those are the critically important features for cleaning your home, then I think you'll be absolutely in love with the Freo Z Ultra. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope I found it helpful. Comment your questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the robot, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. One of the most unique features we see on the Overall, we found the Narwal Freo Z Ultra to be a great robot vac mop phone.
Oh, my pleasure.